Okay, so we went through kind of where most things are, how to select things. We're gonna go through basically what all this crap is up top because it looks confusing and obnoxious. So, yep, let's do that. Um, this line right here is layer. Well, I don't know what that is. This is your layers. It looks familiar to AutoCAD's layer section. So, if you went here, and that looks very much alike. Um, you have whether or not they show, and you have whether or not they are frozen or not. So obviously very cool, you have that. And all the other options that are in AutoCAD layers section here, I mean when you go to the properties thing, all those are brought in up here. So it's basically this, and it's constantly up there. So you have your line type, and line type is here. You have your line weight, you have your line weight, you have, what is this? Transparency, the next thing here. And then you have priority, which basically, if you're drawing in 3D, it's which line is higher. Basically like a Z elevation for this stuff. We won't mess with it because it's confusing, probably, hopefully not. And yeah, so that's the layers. X out. This is the different views. So this would take you between the layout and model. This is the references, which is also in here. This is level manager. This is the exact equivalent of what home layers. That's the exact equivalent of this. Has everything kind of in a more easy to see view, I guess. Yeah, that's what it is. Has all the same tools. Level display. That just turns your levels off and on. Same thing as up here, but it's easier to scroll between them. Auxiliary, that's XYZ. And this is, that's for file exploring. That's for, I don't even know. We're not going to touch that. That looks annoying. Nonetheless, it has the same tabs as are up here for the most part. Home, X out. File, you can do the same things as over there in here. Insert. All these things are actually elsewhere in Microstation. We went over that. Blocks, Microstation has them. I'm not sure where they are, but they're in here. Annotate, we saw dimensioning somewhere. We saw how to dimension and add text and all that. Leaders, we have that. Tables are options in here as well, and all this is also in AutoCAD. Okay, and similar to AutoCAD, there's also back buttons. There is your model and layout tools, which are right here. Also accessible through multiple other means. Okay, so another thing that is in Microstation that is also viewable in AutoCAD is this pan right here, this tool. All are actually set to be right up here. Your viewports, all your visual stuff is going to be right here. This is going to be like lighting, make it really bright, make it really dark, default. I don't know what that is, it looks confusing. Probably has to do with what is realistic and what is all the settings that are already pre-made, so probably don't ever need to mess with that, but it's a thing and it's there, so pointing it out. That's all I really want to go through for this video, so thank you.